And so here's that homework platform that I was talking about, the Active. And this is where I really think that the structure of the platform really helps kind of cement how dimensional analysis works, because we're going to use dimensional analysis quite a bit in our problem solving. So we've got this problem, food safety tells us that for this cut of meat, needs to cook for 23 minutes per pound at 325 degrees. How many hours should it take for a 5.17 pound roast? So we want to be able to somehow go from pounds into minutes and then into hours, so we can find out how much time it would take to cook this material. So we start with, and we can just drag and drop the values, which I think is nice about this. So I can start with 5.17 pounds. Somehow I want to get rid of pounds. I want to have that cancel out, and I want to be left with minutes, because I know I can convert minutes to hours. And we know, okay, I've got 23, right, minutes per pound. So for every 23 minutes, this is going to be my conversion factor to get rid of pounds. Right, for every 1 pound of that material, I need to cook this for 23 minutes. And as you saw, as I drag this pound in, those units automatically canceled out. So now I'm going to have minutes as my units. I want to get rid of minutes, and I want to convert that into hours. So how do I do that? Well, I know, and if I drag down minutes right here, it's going to cancel out, right? Because this is how we're going to get things to cancel out, our units to cancel out. I know for every 1 hour, we have 60 minutes. And now you can see my pounds have canceled out, minutes have canceled out, and now we're going to be left with hours. Hours are the only units that haven't canceled out. So I multiply 5.17 by 23, and then I'm going to divide by 60 to get approximately 1.98. And then what should my units be? My units should be hours. And if I go and check, got the answer correct, thankfully, didn't go through that embarrassment, right? We can see that that is in fact the correct answer. But this is why I like the platform, because it really provides this scaffolding to a lot of the problem solving, so that we can really see what units are we canceling out, how those units cancel out, and how that can lead us to the correct answer. So hopefully you enjoy this homework platform just as much, and get a lot out of this homework platform as well.